How do you glaze a tart without messing things up? Well, Ryan's going to show you how.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan. Thanks for joining us. Here's your tip of the day from Art is in Cakes. So to achieve that nice glossy sheen to the tart, we are going to apply a mirror glaze. So we have our tart, which has been nice and chilled so that none of the little fruits or anything else on top moves or jiggles around. So I've heated our glaze up to a real thin consistency. Instead of using a brushing technique or strokes, I dab it on so as not to move any of the fruit or puncture the surface of the tart. Some are going to kind of move around, so remember, gentle. And when I do this, I want to make sure that I avoid the crust. You spend all that time making that crust so it's nice and flaky or crumbly, and all it's going to do is make it soggy if you get glaze all over it. So just on the fruit, some of it's moving around, but this glaze, once it kind of sets up, it'll act like a glue as well. So you can kind of already see the difference between what's done and what's not. And if you need to reheat it, do so, because it's starting to kind of set up already. A couple more, I think, blackberries to do. I would have heated up just a little bit at this point, and I want everything to be nice and shiny. So I've done all the fruit. I've stayed away from my crust. So once we've got this done and it's all set and glazed, it's going to go back in the fridge for at least 2 hours, just to make sure it's completely set up.
Would you like this glaze recipe? We've got it. It's on our blog post at Art is in Cakes.